All right, so if I unbox the Pixel 8a, I put a screen protector on the Pixel 8a. Now I'm going to finally complete the protection process and install this Caseology Athlex case. Now, I've said in a previous video about Caseology is that Spigen, they have this whole umbrella, and under that umbrella you have Caseology. You have another company is called Cyril or Cyril. Let me see. This is the Active Black, and this is made for the Pixel. So this is the official case for the Google Pixel phones. So let's pull this tab and open it up. See what we get here. Comes in a bag. Very nice. And right off the bat, I can tell I'm gonna like this case. I love Caseology cases. Parallax, probably my favorite because of that hexagonal design on the back. But this is simplistic. It's minimalist. And it's got these ridges along the side. Oh my God. It's not on the top though, or the bottom. It's only on the side. It's like the little, like you ever have a cat lick you? You know how cats, they bathe with their tongues and their tongues are really rough. That's what this side of the case feels like. The back, not so much. It does have a texture to it, but it's not like grippy, but it does feel good. And then you got, you know, cutouts for the camera bar. And as you can see, there's no like indentions on each side, so it completely covers the camera bar. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this thing on here. I'm just gonna turn the 8A on the back, and it's going on here like this. Boom. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Got a cutout for the microphone up top. Precise cutouts for the speakers on each side and the USB-C port in the middle. Let me see. On the right, I say left-hand side, you got that grippy texture, if you can hear that. Listen to that. And you got Caseology branding. And then on the right-hand side, you have the buttons. Now, some people, they like the buttons to be on different sides. I know, you know, most Pixel phones, the power and the volume buttons are always on the right-hand side. Also, shout out to Mouse for this Aramid fiber case. This case is fire. Back to the 8A. The buttons, they're clicky. They're not mushy. They got that tactile feel to them. Check the power button. Has some good feedback. On the front of the case, they got a nice wide cutout. This is where your speaker is. This is what happens when we want displays to be like no bezels whatsoever. The speaker grills get small as hell. Like that little tiny thing. I don't know if they'll show up in the camera. That's where the speaker is. Let's see here. This is a case-friendly case. As you can see, you got the bezel, screen protector, and then right here you got the Athlex. Let's see. Of course, when it comes to the rigidity of the case, it's a little weak by the volume buttons, but not so much by the power button. Up top, nah. No give. At the bottom, little give if you push hard enough. But overall, it's nice. It's got a lip. Could be a little higher. Could be a little higher. Wish it was like the mouse case. As you can see, side by side, there is a raised lip on the top and the bottom of mouse cases. That's why I like them. That protects your screen from when it falls like that. That should protect your phone. And you know, I got screen protector on there, so I got some added protection. Back to the back. Yeah, those The camera bar, you can't even tell it's a camera bar. You just got the cutouts. Got the cutout for the LED flash, and you got a cutout for the dual cameras on the back. And that's pretty much it. It even covers up the aluminum, so that way, if you do decide to keep this case for, if you buy 8A and you buy a case, this Athlex, it's going to protect the aluminum from getting all scratched up, getting any type of micro abrasions. Because as you can see, I bought this 7 Pro renewed. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but there are micro abrasions all over the aluminum camera bar. Not really something anybody else will notice, but I noticed it. I mean, if you let it hit the light the right way, you're gonna notice it. But this case, you ain't gonna have a problem with that. You can also get like a tempered glass protector for the dual cameras if you want. Go ahead and add it. I might go ahead and do that. I might go ahead and order some protectors for the cameras, just to be on the safe side. But yeah, this has been the Caseology Athlex. Am I pronouncing that right? Athletic, athlete, Athlex. Yeah, Athlex. Midnight black case for the Google Pixel 8A. This is a nice case. I'm gonna have to, this might be my only case. We'll see. We'll see if I do a case chronicles with the Pixel 8A. I know I still got the wrap up with the iPhone 13 Pro that I'm filming with right now. Pixel 7A, yeah, mouse. Don't need anything else. This is it. It stops here. But the Pixel 8A, we'll see. We'll see. I like this case. It's grippy. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you. I mean, before I end this video, let's see. Nope, no MagSafe. But it does support wireless charging. Can't forget to mention that. No MagSafe on this case because you know it's got these bumps. But yeah, it'll work if you have a wireless charger. Let me grab mine over here. This Anchor that I've had for nearly, hell, I've had this for a long time. Let's see. Yep, it is wireless charging compatible. So this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up this weekend. I'm gonna swap all my information from my Pixel 7 Pro to 8A. Get everything set up on this. This is a nice case. I like that dimple along the line, along the side here too. That also adds to the grip. Yeah, if you're a Butterfingers, I'd suggest you get this case. This is a good case, and it's very affordable. I think it was less than $15. I think it was around, I don't know, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will once I edit this video. Maybe $11, $12. Good case, really good case. And it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone either. It's just right. I just wish there was more of a raised lip along the screen. That's my only thing about it. I like the grip on the sides. I like the textured back. I like that it covers the aluminum camera bar. I like that the buttons are clicky. The cutouts are precise, very precise, and is wide enough for the USB-C port for you to use any type of charger. Yeah, good case. I'll be rocking this for the near future. I'm gonna do some shopping around on Amazon, see if they got any more cases for the 8A, but I like this so far. So links will be down in the description where you can pick this up on Amazon. It will be an Amazon affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything, but I do get a little something if you click on the link. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. I'll be back with some actual audio videos next time. I'll see you.